Hi guys, how are we all doing? This is Dara Uguala. So this is my Instagram handle and my Facebook name and everything you need. So make sure you subscribe. So in this video, we'll be tying the gele, that's the heart-shaped gele or the diamond-shaped or any name you would want to give the gele. So I used a 70-30 ratio for this gele. So what we're basically going to do is to tie the normal round gele, then make the apex. So the base pleats of the gele was very stressful for me, so I couldn't video it because I was trying to minimize my phone space. So I have a video on how to make base pleats for gele, but if you want me to do a DIY base pleats for gele video, then just type a comment and I would work towards it. So I'm going to secure the shorter parts of the gele in that manner, and we'll be working mainly with that long 70 part of the ashoke. So we have to make sure the pleats are well laid because we don't want them scattering when we're doing other things. Once we pass that stage, we've passed it. So we're going to start the main part of our gele, and I just want to assure you and I want to tell you, gele takes patience, especially DIY. My hand was paining me at this point. So now just look at the way I'm pleating the gele. It's not easy, you just have to be patient. So look at how I pleated the first one. I'll pleat the second one for you to see. So you just take it gently from all sides and take it towards your hand. Let your other hand hold it down. Then you put your finger in between the pleats to make sure it stays well. That beginning part is very key. Can you see what I'm doing? Anyway, it's actually very easy, but the only thing is your hands are going to ache. So just watch how I did this. So you have to take your time to make sure it's beautiful. Gele is all about patience. So you just straighten it out and smoothen it out like that. Can you see it's forming beautifully already? So you make the next pleat. So you can make as many pleats as you want, You just have to keep making pleats and pleats. That's basically what gele is about. Gele is all about the pleats, So I just woke up to make this voiceover because everywhere is still quiet, So I woke up to do this voiceover. So that's the pleat. I'm trying to make sure it looks good and uniform. Can you see it's looking beautiful already? So I'm going to make a couple more pleats, then we now go to the main stage. So we just keep making and making and making pleats. So supposing you have any Instagram style you want me to tie on my YouTube channel, please send it to me on Instagram, on Facebook, so I can tie it for you and show you how to tie it. So after doing the pleats on that side, we now bring the pleats down to the other ear. So I used a pin to secure those pleats, so that while adjusting the other ear, they won't give me like so much stress, they won't keep coming off. So you have to adjust it well so that all of them are like directly on top of each other, directly on top of one another. Then you put the pin, and be careful not to injure yourself with the pin. I know that during this video I pinned the gele to my hair. Well, those mistakes are bound to happen, but you have to be careful. So you bring the pleats down gently and carefully. Gele is all about patience. If you want to achieve the right pattern, you have to take your time, try and be meticulous about it. Try and be very, what is that word? Okay, I just stick with meticulous. So you just bring it down to the other ear, pleats by pleats. Don't do 2 pleats at a time. Although if you feel you can do 2 pleats at a time, fine. But pleats by pleats is always better. So I pin that down. So after pinning that down, pin it down well. So after pinning that down, I then make sure these pleats are like directly on top of each other. So I tied it at the back. I'm very sorry, when I was tying it, the video stopped recording because of low phone storage. I really wanted to show you how I tied it, but you can watch some of my other videos. I always tie my gele the same way. So now I'm going to be pleating it from the top. I did this because my hands were paining me from doing the normal pleats already, so I just had to pleat it from the top. Do something different to avoid the hand pain, the hand ache. That's the arm ache. English. So you can continue doing the pleats the way I was doing it previously, but this was more convenient for me. So I just did it front, back. This one takes practice. This style of pleating takes practice. So when you do it up, you go to the side and pleat it in the same manner. I have to make sure the pleats are equal. So the same thing happened. Like, my phone storage was really low and I couldn't video like sufficient enough, but you get the technique, I hope. So as you can see, the pleats are still not straight. So right now I'm going to be straightening it up. Yeah, I was very excited when I saw the turnout. I never even knew it to turn out that beautiful. But then, it was beautiful. So you have to just keep adjusting the pleats, Just make sure the pleats turn out well. You have to make sure one is on top of the other. Each is on top of another. So, yes. So now we go to the making of the apex. So that's how you make the apex. So you pinch it at the top for a long time. Pinch it. Yes, and that's it. So you don't really need any pins, That's why you need a strong gele for all these rainy styles. So yes, that is it. That's the gele. I hope you enjoyed this video like I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also share this video with your loved ones. See me feeling myself. Okay, bye. Have a wonderful week ahead.